In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a coaching webinar funnel in ClickFunnels. We'll walk through the process from the very beginning so you can follow along even if you're new to the platform. By the end, you'll have a clear understanding of how to set up a webinar funnel specifically tailored to your coaching business. First, once you're logged into your ClickFunnels account, look over to the left-hand side of your dashboard. In the main navigation menu, you'll see an option labeled Funnels. Go ahead and click on Funnels. This is where all of your existing funnels live, and it's also where you'll create new ones. Next, you'll see a button that says Create Funnel. Click on that. ClickFunnels will usually give you several types of funnels to choose from, each designed for a different purpose, like lead generation, sales, or events. For this setup, choose the option labeled Webinar Funnel. This is specifically built to handle registrations, confirmation pages, and follow-ups for your online coaching presentations. Before you start clicking through everything, take a moment to review the training sections that are typically provided along with the webinar funnel framework. These are usually broken into three parts. The first is the overview. This explains how webinar funnels work in general, how traffic comes in, how people register, what happens before and after the webinar, and how that leads to clients booking your coaching services. The second part is strategy. This is where you'll see how to structure your funnel for maximum coaching conversions. Pay attention here to how they recommend positioning your offer, what kind of promise you make on your registration page, and how you transition from teaching during the webinar to inviting people to work with you. The third part is implementation. This is the step-by-step customization guide that shows you exactly what to edit on each page. Even if you're experienced, it's worth skimming so you don't miss any key elements like reminder emails or thank you page details. Once you've reviewed those sections, it's time to choose a template. Look through the webinar funnel templates and pick one that feels aligned with your coaching niche. For example, if you're a business coach, choose a clean, professional layout. If you're a wellness or life coach, you might prefer something softer and more personal. Don't worry too much about the exact text at this stage. You'll customize everything later. After selecting your template, click on Customize Now. This will open the funnel editor where you can start editing each page of the funnel. Here you'll change headlines, add your branding, adjust colors, and plug in details about your webinar and your coaching offer step by step until the entire funnel reflects your unique style and message.